Good morning everyone and welcome to this OmegaT tutorial. I'm glad to see you here. I hope to provide a reasonable value through this tutorial. So in this tutorial, let us start with what is a cat tool. Before that, just a quick intro about me. I'm Govindarajan. I'm a French translator since 2005, almost like 19 years, and I have been a Trados trainer since 2010. Almost like 14 years I have been coaching translators and LSPs in Trados and sometimes with also other cat tools. That is about me. So let us start into the OmegaT tutorial. So a cat tool is a computer assisted or aided translation software. It is normally categorized into online or offline. So if it is an online cat tool, it would work through a browser interface and it would be backed by machine translation. If it is an offline, it would be installed in a PC or a laptop. Okay, so what is the advantage of using a cat tool? It is 20 to 50% increase in productivity. For example, if I'm translating like 2000 words per day in a span of 8 hours, my productivity will increase by 20 to 50% depending on the level of utilization of any cat tool. And not only that, our consistency also gets improved when we are using a cat tool. When there are repetitive text, if we translate once, the remaining places get automatically propagated and filled. So that also adds to the consistency. Because of the increase in productivity, consistency, and also by performing quality checks, we'll be able to ensure a high quality of work by using a cat tool for translation or review projects. So the main benefits of cat tool, apart from productivity, consistency, and quality, is like we can do more work in less time. We'll be able to handle more file formats, like 30 plus file format or 50 plus file format depending on the cat tool that you use, and the formatting and layout are perfectly maintained by the cat tool in majority of the cases. And the important point that you need to notice, it is cat tool mainly depends on human translation, though optionally you can use machine translation like Google Translate or RWS Translate or any other empty solution. Cat tool mainly depends on human translation, so it enhances the work of a human translator by acting as a smart companion. The final advantage being it improves the efficiency of a translation agency or LSP as well as translators. So now coming to the concept of cat tool, whatever work that you are doing daily, weekly, monthly, and throughout the year, it gets saved in cat tool. For example, let's say I translate 2000 words per day, and every month I translate like 40,000 words or 60,000 words. Let's say I work 20 days a month and I translate 40,000 words per month. By the end of the year, I would have translated approximately like 4,80,000 words. So all this work will get saved into the translation memory, so that can be referred and reused. So I have represented the concept in a diagram. You translate, save in cat tool, reuse it forever. That is, you translate once and reuse lifetime. That is the main concept of a cat tool. By saving all the translation in a translation memory, we'll be able to build a huge database of translation that is called TM. TM is the translation memory of a cat.